¿sabes que tu hijo se va a casar con la ex de Leonardo?
¿Leonardo? ¿Qué Leonardo?
Leonardo el de los Félix.
¿De los Félix?
You've got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You've spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you'll say something wrong. If no one ever
¿Qué te ocurre? No te veo muy buena cara. ¿No tienes ganas de casarte?
Que sí.
¿Qué tienes? ¿Miedo de perder tu vida de reina?
No me lo vas a decir. No estará bien.
Con lo guapa que estás. Es que mira qué guapa. Si te viera tu esposo...
Que te calles ya.
Light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words dry out. So put it in all of the papers. I'm not afraid, they can read all about it, read all about it. Oh, 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 oh. He said, let's get out of this town, drive out of the city, away from the crowds. I thought heaven can't help me now, nothing lasts forever. But this is gonna take me down. He's so tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well. I can see the end as it begins. My one condition is say you'll remember me, staying in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, baby. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just pretend, just pretend. Dreams in your wildest dreams, even if it's just in your wildest dreams, in your wildest dreams.
¿Sí? ¿Bárbara? ¿Bárbara, eres tú? Bárbara, ¿estás ahí?
Inspector Lozano, abra la puerta. Gracias, buenas noches.
Bye.